Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. I hope everyone is doing well. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel. So it's Sunday and I just came back from the grocery store. I was supposed to go to the supermarket on Friday. I didn't get to go. I was supposed to go last night. I didn't bother to stop as well because I was passing through the town. So I just decided to make a quick grocery run. It's been a while since I've done a grocery. It's been a while since I've done a grocery haul video on this channel. So I'm going to do one now and just show you guys what I got. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so I got a box of cornflakes, sunshine cereals. Usually if you watch my previous grocery shopping video, grocery haul or grocery shopping, you would have realized that I normally purchase a yellow box cornflakes. I think it's Lasco brand, but since a few weeks ago I started buying this one because the supermarket that I shop doesn't have they only had the small one. I saw a bigger one now, but I decided to still buy this because I like it. So yeah. Then I got three of these, three tropical ready mango carrot flavor. If you watched my video before, you know that this is normally the only flavor that I purchased. I don't think I've ever shown this in my grocery haul video because I recently started buying this about a few months ago or a few weeks ago. But this is Welch Concord grape, and I bought two grapes and one fruit punch. Comment down below if you like these juices because I do. And I bought three spice buns, three of these spice buns. I bought one broad bean because I was going to cook cow foot, but my husband does, because he was waiting for me, so I told him to just purchase the cow foot at another supermarket because the one that I was didn't have it. But he said the guy that was going to serve him told him that them, as Jamaican would say, them not so hot. That means maybe they're not fresh or something, so he didn't bother to purchase them. So I still have that broad bean. I bought 3 coconut milk Kendall. I bought 3 gold seal butter, 3 packs, so that can last a little while. I bought 3 tin mackerel, 1 Lasco sweet corn. Not sure why up here so stays, so I never seen this before, but anyways. And usually I'd purchase the Grace corned beef, but I decided to try this one. My friends and I were talking about brand stuff and how things are expensive, and she said she buy the Caribbean choice. I think maybe it's the same Grace brand, you know, but it's the same company, but they just, you know, have a different brand for it. I think so. Comment down below and let me know. But this is a bit cheaper, so I decided to buy this one. I bought 3 of these biscuits. I bought 3 digestive because I like digestive. I bought 1 strawberry butter kiss biscuit. Something might fall off. I bought 1 strawberry butter kiss biscuit, 2 cookie and cream, 1 vanilla, and 2, I think I have 2 chocolate. Yeah, somewhere. It's somewhere. I have 2 chocolates because I purchased 5 of them in total. I bought 1 cream filled cupcake. This is chocolate. I have, actually it's 5 of them. I thought I took up 6, but the cashier cashed 5. So it's 1 chocolate, 2 cookie and cream, 1 vanilla, 1 strawberry. I bought this one for myself. It's the brownie rich dark chocolate kiss cake. I bought a strawberry one as well, strawberry. And about 3 snackers, wheat snackers. Comment down below if you like these. They taste nice, especially when they're very crispy. So I bought 3 of those. I ran out of peas, so I bought this pack. I can use it a little bit over. I'll use some of it, and then some will be left over, and then I have to purchase more. Usually I don't buy it like this if you watch my video before, but I was saying that I had to purchase these peas because I didn't go to the other supermarket that would allow me to take up exactly how much I want. And I also bought a bottle of Mott's apple juice. So the supermarket that I was at didn't have the supermarket that I went to didn't have Malta. So when my husband was waiting on me, I told him to purchase Malta at the other supermarket. So he bought 3 Malta. He also bought saltfish, which is how much? $351. Because he stopped eating chicken. And so he purchased saltfish. Said I should do saltfish with baked bean and rice and peas. So that's what he's going to eat. But I'm going to cook chicken for myself. So that's that. Oh, and I also bought this small bottle of Gatorade. This one is the berry blue flavor. I only bought one because they had limited flavors. They didn't have the lemon. So I only bought a small bottle of the blue one. So guys, I also bought this is about 5 or 6 pounds of flour, 2 pounds of cornmeal, 2 dishwashing liquid pal because I finished fast, so I just bought 2. And I was gonna say donny like the fabric softener, a donut, yeah, and a cucumber at the market. I wanted cabbage, but the few cabbages I saw, because I don't have much options because it's Sunday, and the few cabbages that I saw, I didn't like how they look. When them look so shrivel up, them smell funky or sour, so I'm not bother buy it. I'm gonna do cucumber, and I'm also gonna do mashed potato. Yeah, stay tuned for my dinner. I'm gonna try to show you guys what I'm cooking for dinner today. Well, you know me, I cook already, but I'm gonna show y'all while I'm cooking.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through only cause you set up.
Guys, some of them peas just look spoiled. Look there. What kind of pea is this? I'm afraid I go try to pick them out. What's this? No man, I first never buy peas enough for pick out it, so much something. We don't know how some of them look at all. I think it's alright now. Me throw off that water. Put some more in there. Salt. I'm using my browning bottle to beat them. And if you beat them no more because they're going to be pressured, so this is okay. And then usually I beat these, but I'm not going to beat them because they're going to be pressured either way. So yeah. I'm not going to pressure it with the coconut milk because I think it makes it, the rice seems a bit whiter when I pressure it that way, so I'm doing it without the milk. So guys, my sis gave me seasoned chicken, so I think I'm gonna brown stew or curry this, so it saves me the time of having to cut up and season chicken. So yeah. Alright guys, so now I'm going to add my scallion and thyme, hot pepper, this is scotch bonnet pepper, ginger. I'm gonna beat this up, 2 pieces of sweet pepper, pimento seed, garlic, onions to my peas. Oh, and I already added my coconut milk. Just a little bit of Maggi all-purpose. Just a little. This is not meat, so we're not adding a lot. And this is jerk seasoning, like all-purpose pound seasoning, but I just added it in a Maggi bottle. We're going to add a little bit more salt, just a little, and a little sugar, and we're gonna stir. Taste. Yeah, this is okay. I'm gonna add a little piece of butter, same butter in the grocery ball. Turn up back the stove a bit so it can boil. I think I'm going to add a little more water. Yeah, a little more and that's it. Let's stir again. Pimento look a little bit enough, but that's fine. That's fine. Burning my garlic and pepper. Guys, my rice is finished. finish. Guys, dinner is served. And I'll be having it with this Welsh fruit punch. My husband will most likely be having his with Malta or tropical ready because I didn't make any juice. He's not here yet though, so I'm gonna have my dinner because I'm hungry, plus I want to go to a crusade tonight. So yeah, I didn't get to end the video properly, but thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.